Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix no signal on an Amazon Fire TV stick. All right, let's begin. First, check that your TV is set to the correct input source. Use your remote to open the source or input menu and select the HDMI port where your Fire TV stick is connected. In many cases, choosing the correct source immediately restores the signal. If that doesn't work, make sure your Fire TV stick is properly powered. Always use the wall adapter provided instead of plugging it into your TV's USB port, as the USB port may not supply enough power. Next, try plugging the Fire TV stick directly into the TV without using an HDMI extension cable. Sometimes the extension can cause connection issues. You can also switch to a different HDMI port on your TV to rule out a faulty port. If the problem continues, perform a full power reset. Turn off your TV and Fire TV. Wait about 1 minute, then turn everything back on. This helps refresh the connection and resolve temporary glitches. So that's basically how you can fix no signal on an Amazon Fire TV stick. That's it for this video. Thanks.